Barev Martik. In this video, we're looking at how to tell the time in Armenian. And for this occasion, I've got a very special and cute clock that will help you to learn the time in Armenian. If you haven't learned the numbers yet, please go back to my previous videos. I'm going to attach the link below and make sure you learn the numbers before you actually come to this video. First of all, let's learn to ask the time in Armenian. The question is fairly simple. You can just say Jama kanisne. It means what's the time? Jama kanisne. If you want to make it more formal, you could just say Knerek, sorry, Jama kanisne, or Kasek khântrem, Jama kanisne. Would you tell me please what's the time? Okay, you know the question, let's try to answer the question. When it comes to telling the time, Armenian is somewhat similar to British English, so we will be using very similar constructions. So when you have a full hour, like in this case, the clock is showing you 10 o'clock, you are going to say Jamă 10. The time is 10. Jamă 10. If my hour hand showed something here like 6, I would say Jamă 6, Jamă 3, it's 3 o'clock, etc. Now you already know how to tell full hours, and let's look at situations when the minute hand shows you minutes between 1 till 30 minutes. So here we have 10:15. In order to say this, you are gonna first state the hour, then state the minutes. And this is how it will look. Jamă 10 անց 15. So 10, the hour, past 15. In English, you actually have the opposite. First, you state the minutes, then the hour. In Armenian, hour, then minutes. If the minute hand shows you 30 minutes, you can either say that it's 10:30 or you can say 10:30. And to do this, you say Jamă 10 կեսե. So it's 10:30, or Jamă 10:30, it's 10:30. When the minute hand shows you between 31 minutes till 59 minutes, you are going to say that a certain number of minutes is left to get another full hour, and this is how it looks. Jamը 11-ից, from 11, 15 պակաս. 15 is left to get 11, so it's 10:45. Okay, you are doing some simple math calculations. If it was here, I would say Jamը 11-ից, from 11, 10 պակաս, 10 is left, huh? It's 10 to 11. Just a little of information. In Armenian, we don't use AM, PMs, and instead we use the 24-hour clock. So to differentiate between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m., for 10 p.m. we just say 22 o'clock. All right, thanks very much for watching this video. For your homework, I want you to write down the time when you are watching this video in the comment section below. It was Shushi, Shushiներ ձեզ հետ, շնորհակալություն նայելու համար եւ մինչ հանդիպում, հաջողություն։